Go.
Oh, look, the fucker came out. Look.
Come on, just go. Talk.
I got this fella here named Scratchy.
Hold on, let me video real quick.
And we are very proud to be here with the excursion class. We're here, Shawn, with my people. As it seems to be like.
Okay, let's see it. Hold on, let me see.
See, this fella here is like staring at me, like if I'm like a little friend and stuff. Like, come on, eat me.
So eat him.
I feel sorry. Oh, look at his face.
Oh, come on.
Put them in your mouth already.
It's asking you to eat them.
So, like I said, this little bastard seems to want to battle me, thinking I'm not gonna eat him, but I am.
I know you down,
Come on.
Lick his antennas, son.
My spidey sense is tingling.
It's a long video.
I know. I gotta put this on Facebook now.
Hey, stop the camera, stop. It's a little peace sign.
Open your mouth.
Oh, let's see it in your mouth.
Damn, you down, man.
I'm going to shut up.
Let me give him a drink.
Get the snail on the grill.
And eat it, huh?
Don't do it.
Oh, damn.
Open your mouth.
Send me pictures.